AppDB.Studio can automatically fix existing design errors like missing foreign keys, incorrect naming conventions, and incomplete design patterns. In the Repair and Diagnostics menu, you can run a summary or detailed diagnostic, or generate a repair script to fix design errors in the current database. The tool settings are found in the different tabs and saved as extended properties in the current database. Please note that certain features are not supported at the time of this recording. Bound tables, bound or computed columns, and foreign key constraints with multiple columns are not yet managed. The first tab filters the repair and diagnostics operation by schemas, tables, views, stored procedures, and functions. The second tab allows you to select which missing SQL objects or design patterns to process. The third tab contains which naming conventions you'd like to apply. In the last tab, you can set the all naming conventions you'd like to move away from. So let's try the tool for a spin. As an example, I've created a simple model with incorrectly named columns and no constraint or index of any kind. First step is to go into the Previous Conventions tab and set whatever naming conventions are currently applied to this database. So here we'll set the surrogate primary key column setting to ID, meaning that we want to move away from ID as primary key column names. Then we go to the Conventions menu and set the conventions we want to apply to the current database. Let's set the primary key column name convention to logical table name ID and the table name convention to tname. Let's leave all the other settings to their default values and generate the repair script. Now let's run the generated script. If we look at the result, all structures have been correctly renamed. Also, we now have new design pattern columns with their default values, primary and foreign key constraints, as well as their associated indexes. To find out how to apply these changes without breaking application dependencies, please go to part 7 of this tutorial series.